everyone, it's Hannah here and thanks for coming to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post a new video here every week. So I actually just got back from the second day of Gen Beauty here in San Francisco 2018, and I was like, before I take off my badges and before I take off my makeup, why not go ahead and just show you guys a little unboxing of the goodie bag that they gave us on the first day of Gen Beauty, and then just like a small little haul of what I got myself. So let's just get straight into that then. Before I go ahead and show you guys what I got in the goodie bag and what I bought myself, I did do most of the meetups. I got to meet Katy, Lustrelux, I got to meet Gabriel and Nikita Dragun, and also Aina yesterday on Saturday, the first day of Gen Beauty. And then today, Sunday, I got to meet Christen Dominique here.
You guys, I'm with Hannah right now. She's so pretty. Like, she's wearing the latte palette on her eyes. Looking so good.
And also DressYourFace, Tamanna. So yeah, I'll make sure to include those in this video, and I also have it on my Instagram. I'm gonna make like a dedicated post and a highlight just for Gen Beauty. So this is actually my first time ever going to Ipsy Gen Beauty. I'm originally from Miami, so we never get this in Florida. But now that I live here in the Bay Area, I was able to go, and I made sure to go both days. And I also got the early access pass, and that basically means the normal Gen Beauty public time starts at 11 o'clock, but when you get early access pass, you get to go in an hour early, which I truly recommend. All right, so I just wanted to quickly go ahead and show you guys a little haul of what I bought on my own. Everyone probably knows about Gen Beauty, but at Gen Beauty you have all these makeup brands as vendors at these booths, and most of them give a free sample or a product at the actual event, and they also include stuff in the gift bag that you get when you register, but they also do have discounted products at their booths. The first booth I did go to on Saturday was Too Faced, and I went ahead and got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I have not ever worn this foundation before, but I've been wanting to try it out, and instead of $40 they had it for $27 at Ipsy Gen Beauty, which I pretty much think it's 40% off they were giving off their product. And then I also went ahead and decided to get their Melted Matte liquid lipsticks for I think $14 if I'm not mistaken, and I got it in the shade Sellout and Suck It. Super pretty colors. And then another brand that was there was ofracosmetics, and I'm from Miami, and I have to give love to Ofra because it's a South Florida based company, but I went ahead and got their On The Glow palette, and yes, this is their repackaging, rebranded version of their product, and they had a really great deals as well. They had their individual highlighters that are normally retailed for $35 on sale for $15, and this palette right here, you can actually go on their website right now. This retails for $150, but I got it on sale for $50, so it was $100 off for this palette. The last thing I did purchase on my own was from Benefit Cosmetics, and that is the Bad Gal Bang mascara, because Benefit Cosmetics was having 30% off at their booth, so I got this for $16.80, which is great. And then Benefit also gave a free goodie at their booth as well as in the bag, so I will definitely be showing you guys that next. And yeah, let's just get into that part of this video. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and make sure to click the notification bell button because YouTube is not showing you guys when we're posting videos. But alright guys, make sure you're following me on all my socials at the Hannah Ali, and especially on IG. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.